Hey guys, Miranda here from Thinkific. I am chatting today about one of my very favorite topics, and that is how to turn your ebook into an online course. Now, this is so simple that it almost hurts, but the benefits are amazing. So, we all know about ebooks, and they're a really great way to deliver content to your audience. You can design them how you want, you get all of your content in there, you can make it look really good, and you get it out into the world. The problem is that there's no interactivity. So with a normal ebook, you pour your heart and soul into getting that book ready, but once you release it into the world, that's kind of it. It goes off, it has a life of its own, which is really amazing if you're wanting lots of people to view your content. Lots of times it gets out there, lots of times it doesn't go anywhere, but that's a whole other situation. And people read it, people share it, people email it, people post it, but you've got no ability to interact with the people who are viewing your content. You don't know who those people are, and you have no way to reach out and reach that new audience. So you're kind of relying on those people to sort of independently then come back and contact you and dig out your contact information and get in touch. And that's the problem that we aim to solve here with Thinkific. So imagine this. Instead of creating your PDF, sending it off into the world to have a life of its own, and just crossing your fingers and hoping that you actually hear from some of the people who end up reading it, what if each of the people who wants to view your course and take your content and look at it, what if they have to come to you? So what if they are giving their email address, and what if they once they're there, actually have the ability to contact you and to chat with other participants and be a little bit more involved in not just reading your course, but actually really taking your course. That's what I'm going to show you how to do today. So the first thing that we need to do is we actually need to split our PDF into multiple smaller files. So say you've got a 40-page PDF, it's all one document. Whether you're using the program that you use to create the PDF in the first place, or on a Mac, you can actually, in Preview, just click and drag the individual pages out onto your desktop to make new files, or there's some online tools I'll show you. But basically what we want to do is, instead of having one giant PDF, we want to create multiple small PDFs that each PDF kind of has one lesson's worth of content. So maybe 1 to 4 pages, depending on your file. There's a couple of great online tools that let you do this, and there's tons, so just do a quick Google. But up on my screen, I've got splitpdf.com or smallpdf.com. Those are both just little online applications that will split your PDF for you. So there's lots of ways. Once you have all of your PDFs, we're going to jump into the Thinkific dashboard. On the left-hand side, go down to Courses, Create and Edit, and then you're just going to click to create a new course. Once you've entered the course name and how much it's going to cost, all that good stuff, you land here, which is where we can build our course. Now, when we've got all of our PDFs, we definitely want to use the Quick Builder. So we're going to click over here where it says Quick Builder, and we're going to select all of the files for the split up PDF that we have here. It's going to upload right here on the right-hand side. We can watch it while it happens. And as it's uploading, we can actually see all of those new lessons pop up. So that's pretty much it. If I wanted to stop right here, I absolutely could. I can hit save, I can enroll students in my class, they can log in and they can take my course, I'm getting their email address, they're viewing my content, all is good. But why stop here? We can turn this ebook course into a really interactive online experience that your students are going to love, and that is going to make this, it's going to take this from being just an ebook to something so much more. And that's what we're going to do now. On the left-hand side, I have the ability to add more content, and this is where this shines. So in addition to all of my PDF pages that I've got, I can add a video in between, I can throw in a quiz, I can throw in, a discussion forum, all the other good stuff that is going to turn this into something new. So I'm going to add a discussion, and I'm even going to add some prompts. hit save. And now I know that there's an opportunity for my students to discuss the content that they're viewing right within the course and also with the other people who are taking the course. Similarly, I want to add a video. Click on my video intro. I'm going to make this part of the free trial because why not? And I've already uploaded my video file. So I'm just going to select it there, save changes. That's perfect. Now I want to move my video intro. I want it to be at the beginning. So I'm just going to click and drag it right up to the beginning of the chapter. There we go. And before I'm done, I wanted also to add a downloads resource. So this is where I'm going to add some extra resources for my students. Grab these extras just for you. And that's it. Now my course will also include some downloads that I've created for my students. This could be worksheets or anything at all like that, any other file type you want. Hit save changes, and that's all we need to do. I'm now ready to preview my course. Here I am in my brand new course. I can see I've got chapter 1, and of course I can add multiple chapters. I've now got my video intro front and center. I have some download resources with files that I've created for my students. I've got the PDFs that I created my course from originally. So these are on my screen, one of the instructors who teaches on our platform. I've got all of the different PDF lesson types, and then I even have a discussion so students can chat with me and with other students in their class right within the course experience. So that's right here. And we're done. That really is all that you need to know about how to turn an ebook, which is sort of a static document with no interactivity that has the ability to go off and have a mind of its own, into an interactive course experience where students can interact with you and they can interact with each other. You as an instructor have the ability to make updates and changes to your course as time goes on. Not just to fix typos, but even to add information and to make it a really compelling user experience and learning experience so people will keep coming back. And most importantly, you know who is taking your course. You've got their contact information and you can email them about other stuff that you're creating. If you do coaching and consulting, you now have the ability to market those services directly to your group. Basically, you've got the contact information for your audience, and that is so valuable, and it'll really make you and your business move forward. So I hope that this has been a really great course learning experience, and I am so looking forward to seeing all of the PDFs that people are turning into entire courses. Don't ever hesitate to drop a note if there's anything at all we can help you with. Cheers.